All right. Did you get it? Let me quickly get it. So int 16. Okay, so minimum value -2, and raised to the power of 16 minus 1, so 15. Okay, so that will be approximately 2,768. Okay, and then positive. Okay, subtract by 1, 32767. Okay, and then unsigned start minimum with 0. Okay, maximum with 2 raised to the power of 16. You don't need to leave one sign out, and that will give you the 600. Yeah, double that, 5535. Okay, the same goes for this. Okay, -2 raised to the power 31. Okay, we got a certain number. Yeah, just using the calculator, and then 131 subtract by 1. This for example is x subtract by 1. Okay, really simple. And this undefined 0 and 2 raised to the power 32. Okay, you calculate that. Really simple. Okay, so hopefully that explain the why some weird number like 255, something like that. And all this is seldom used. It's seldom used, but it's crucial. So for example, like int, like 64 bits, something like that. You may heard of it. Okay, some like program run like 64-bit. You just know, oh, 64-bit. I know. It's just, it's the data type of int, say 64, right? So the minimum value, that's a really big range here. So -2 raised to the power of 63, because you got like a sign, right? And then you got a certain number, a really big number here, and 2, 63 minus by 1, okay? And then we got a certain number, so this is like y, this is y subtract by 1, right? And this unsigned in of 64, that will be minimum with 0 all the way to 2 raised to the power of 64, okay? Subtract by 1, and then that's it, as simple as that. Yeah, I believe previously I did not subtract by 1. Okay, because counting start with 0, so you need to subtract by 1. Previously, something I missed it. Doesn't really matter. Okay, doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully that can like fill the blank. Why sometimes you use like int, something float, double, and all that. And to be honest, the double got like even more, like a bigger range than what we just calculated. So it will like using scientific like notation system to represent like a 2.22 something like that, an e, right, something like that. Yeah, it will be pretty long. So modern computer will like just use double, something like that. The double for default, if you don't like specify that, it will automatically become double. So that's a bonus, but you have to know that the computer data type and how like from the very smallest storage all the way to the modern thing that you are using, and this is like do require this data type require a lot of information to be filled in. So you might think, well, programming is hard, but the lower level thing is even harder. Programming is just using logic and natural language to solve things, especially with the help of AI. You can even use the human natural language to generate a lot of things that can help you to achieve a lot of things. But I want you to know that the basic, the fundamental is be composed of this. As long as the computer structure is not changed to some quantum computer, right? If you are buying some computer, the computer is not some quantum computer. That's basically how things, the basic data type, the basic calculation, and all that works. So I think it's crucial. If you are a programmer, you need to know that. Okay.